I know you'll probably ask for it. I went ahead and took the liberty of recording this. As you can see, I have it plugged into a USB charger. As you can see, the light is green. I've already read the instruction manual, so I wanted to show you what it does. So we'll unplug it. Okay. If I twist, as the instructions say, it should turn, and it does not. It doesn't do anything. No LEDs, no nothing. Nothing works. If you use the detector for electrical, if you press a button, it goes constantly, and it should only beep once. The LED should beep once, and it stays solid. So something's not right. It's not working at all. It doesn't turn the motor whatsoever, no matter which way I turn it. So anyways, as you can see, charging light was green. I did charge it. I'm going to pack it back up and contact you.